Think about this for a second. Every time you ask AI a question, it often starts searching all over again. Like studying for an exam by rereading the entire textbook for every single question. That sounds insufficient because it is most popular. Most people thinks AI is already smart, but the truth is a little different. A lot of today's AI system are not really learning in a human way. They search, they read, they answer, and then they forget. So every new question often start from zero. Imagine learning something important today and completely forgetting it tomorrow. Would you ever improve? That is exactly what happening here. Even if the AI give a get answer, the answer usually disappear into chart history. It is not organized into a system. It is not connected to future knowledge. It is useful, yes, but not truly building intelligence over time. This is where the LLM Wiki idea become exciting. Instead of searching raw document every time the AI process information upfront, it turns messy file into a structured knowledge base. Think of it like a personal Wikipedia made by the AI itself, not just a folder full of documents, a connected system of pages, topics, links, and reusable knowledges. Here is how it works. First, the AI read the documents, then it breaks them into meaningful pages and sections. After that, it connects related idea together. A topic about batteries linked to EV market trends, a Tesla report linked to battery performance, a market article linked to future forecast. And once the structure is built, the future answer become faster, smarter, and more useful. Let's make this real. Imagine you upload three things into the systems: a Tesla announced report, a deep dive on battery technology, and a blog about EV market trends. Which normal RAG, the AI searches this file every time you ask a question, again and again and again. But with an LLM wiki, it creates structured page like Tesla overview, battery technology, and EV market trends. Then it connected those pages together. Now, when you ask what is future of Tesla battery in EV market, the AI does not just search; it navigates the knowledges. It combines the idea, it gives a deeper answer, and then it saves that answer as a reusable knowledge graph. That is the real magic. RAG is basically search, answer, and reset. But LLM Wiki is read, organize, link, improve, and reuse. That means every good answer make the system better. It compounds just like money in smart investment grows over time. Knowledge in LLM Wiki can grow over time too. And this changes our rule too. We may not need to ask AI to do everything from scratch. Instead of, we can give it high quality inputs, useful documents, and meaningful questions. The AI can handle the messy maintenance. It can keep link updated. It can reduce conditions. It can organize the knowledge base. LLM Wiki is a powerful step forward in how AI handles knowledge instead of starting from scratch every time. Like traditional systems, it builds a structured memory that grows over time. This means faster response, deeper understanding, and better connections between ideas. It can reuse past knowledge, reduce repeated processing, and even lower longer term API cost. In simple item terms, it transfers AI from basic answering tool into a system that actually learn, organize, and improve constantly. However, this is power come with serious challenges. LLM wiki systems are more complex to build, require higher initial cost, and take time to become effective. In early stages, they may give weak result due to limited knowledge. There is also a risk of errors spreading in if incorrect information gets stored and reused. Managing large amount of data, keeping everything up to date, and avoiding conditional can be difficult for smaller or simple use cases. This approach may be unnecessary, making traditional method like RAG a better and more Practical choice. If this idea blew your mind even a little bit, this is the kind of AI future worth watching. Subscribe for more deep tech explanation like this and comment below, would you rather use AI that only answer question or one that actually build knowledge over time, because the future is already moving in that direction.